I would suggest you to open your Windows search icon and type in Settings. And then head over to Windows Update. And here, first of all, make sure that you are up to date. So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10. Just make sure that you check for updates and install all of the new updates. So you're just up to date. And then click on Advanced Options down here at the More Options field, third one. And then I would suggest you to just turn all of these four settings here off. And then when you've done that, we can click on Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. So change over to these settings. And then at the Security tab here, the first one, just click on Windows Security. And then click on Firewall and Network Protection. And here, first of all, click on down here, the 5 links. Click the first link, allow an app through firewall. And then a window looking something like this should open. And here, first of all, in the top right corner, click on Change Settings. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to note that. And then when we've clicked on Change Settings, we can change these settings here. And here I would first of all suggest you to just select anything in there and then just type in Steam. And here, just make sure that these, if those are unchecked here at Steam, all of these 5 Steam task apps here and features, make sure that all of these are checked. And if so, try unchecking all of them real quick. And click on OK. And then again, click on Allow an app through Firewall and then scroll down again to all of the Steam ones. And then here, again, make sure to just allow all of them. Perfect. Looks good. And then just click on OK again. And that's already it. Then we can close this window again and also close this window and then just start Steam again. And click on Continue and then you just log in with your account details. And then just start CSGO again. That's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.